And now a word from our sponsor, Logitech. Are you scrambling, looking for the best lighting in your home right before a conference call? Are you fed up with having poor video resolution in your Zoom meetings? What about having to explain those awkward background noises you have no control over while video chatting with your boss? Well, stop. There's a better way. Introducing the Logitech 4K Pro webcam with HDR and Right Light 3 technology. Look professional in any light and sound great in any environment with pro-level video calls in 4K HD. Don't worry about setting up the perfect lighting situation for those important video calls. The Logitech 4K Pro webcam has an Ultra HD 4K image sensor that supports multiple resolutions for superb quality, detail, color balance, other cool stuff. And the incredible built-in technology provides 4 times the resolution of full HD video to help you look your best, no matter how bad your lighting is. Optimized for video conferencing on almost any platform and with dual integrated omnidirectional microphones, the 4K Pro's noise cancelling technology will give you crystal clear audio every single time.
Hello.
So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your work from home setup with Logitech and your video calls will never be the same. And now back to our regularly scheduled programming.
I think we already got it.
Okay.
Okay, so if you couldn't tell, that ad that I made was kind of based off of those like 90s infomercials I used to watch on TV when I was little. I had a lot of fun making it, so I hope you enjoyed. But before we end this video, I kind of wanted to do a final walkthrough of what the workspace looks like right now. Just to give you a little bit of detail, there isn't any new furniture in here other than the chair. I kind of just rearranged stuff that was already in the apartment. I don't want to show you what the back looks like or what's behind me because that's Raleigh's workspace and we're not really finished with it yet. There's a lot of stuff in the bedroom that I feel like is not finished yet, but at least this wall where my workspace is, I think is finished. So let me just show you what it looks like now. Hopefully the lighting isn't too bad because we are a little bit backlit, but right here is where I used to have this mirror that I kind of placed on this side of the room, and it's just holding my record player and stuff. I'll do a different like bedroom tour later. I kind of just wanted to show you this really quick. But my desk used to be in this corner, so I just switched out a lot of the stuff. I had my I had these nightstands kind of together right here in this corner, and then the mirror was here, and then my desk was over there in that section. It was really just a matter of rearranging a lot of stuff around. The only different piece of furniture is the chair. And so I had a green velvet chair there before, but I figured that that looked better in the dining room. I found this chair at the thrift store for $10, so I liked that a lot better. This is the workspace from kind of like top to bottom. I found these frames at the thrift store, and this one is just a photo of me in Japan that Raleigh took. This is an 80s sunglasses ad, and then this one on the left is a picture that I took on film from the road trip that we just took. And then up there is a print from the artist Real Fun Wow. The title of the piece is Through the Night, and I thought that was really appropriate for kind of just like the bedroom and workspace. I actually forgot to share this. This is just my headphone stand, and I think my headphones are in the car right now, but that's usually where I would put them. And then the laptop stand is, or the laptop stand and the headphone stand is from Grove Made. And then everything else electronic wise other than my laptop is from Logitech. So Logitech was kind enough to send me a power pad to charge my iPhone on there. And then this mouse is their MX Master 3 mouse, and I really wanted this because it has like profiles on here that make it more simple for Adobe Premiere, and that's just like what I use to edit all my videos. This keyboard is the MX Keys keyboard. I'll go ahead and link everything. And then I just have my coffee in the corner, and let me bring this up. So there is the webcam that I was talking about, but this plant is part of my philodendron Brazil. I just love having that plant everywhere in my apartment, so I wanted to put it on my desk. And then those are the frames. So I decided to put this chest over here, and then I could add another plant. I might add some more on the left side of my desk. I had this empty open space, so I thought that I would put my books here. I definitely need a bookshelf, but haven't really found one that I think like kind of fits the room, so I'm just on the lookout for that. And in the corner we have this Calathea zebrina. I hope I'm saying that right. I just want to fill, I think, the rest of the space with plants. I might put some shelving here because it's still very bare on the other side. But I think I might get a new headboard just so we can get some, I don't know, just interesting textures going on here because it's still very bare. But then these windows, or these kind of like window treatments, are all from IKEA. I wanted some blackout curtains. So that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll go ahead and link everything that I can in the description box, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.